Hey, thank you for joining my channel again. It has been a little bit, I'm still trying to get more videos in for my Jeep stuff, but this one kind of goes with my last video. So I'm gonna do some updating to my Jeep Gladiator, which is awesome. I'm gonna put some cool stuff on it, but I'm just getting prepared. So when I do get it all on, everything runs copacetic. So I'm gonna do a really quick unboxing. These are my things in my Amazon boxes, right? 1 and 2. And what we'll do is we'll open these up together and we will check them out and we'll see what comes in the box and we'll see how easy this stuff is. I think it's gonna be pretty easy. So I'll unbox it in this video, then I'll do a separate video where I actually do the install. And it's more of like a modification, as it were, but we'll do that together as well. So stay tuned. Let's open this stuff up together and see what I got. Thanks for watching. All right, so here we go. Trusty knife. Let's open her up here. All right, so let's open this up here. Let's see what we got. It's so small in such a big box. That's crazy. So what we've got here is we've got the ICAR Vgate Pro Bluetooth 4.0 OBD2 code scanner. So what this will do is not only will it do your code scans and stuff, it actually will help you change tire size, axle gearing, LED lights, all these cool things. Idle, like you're idle in your car, in your truck when you're doing stuff. It's pretty cool. Let's open it up, see what we got here. Look at that. Just a little tiny little guy. Again, that just plugs right into your little CPU sensor underneath, right? But what I found is you don't only need just this, you need something else. Which brings me to what's in this bag. Let's use my knife anyways. I don't need it, but let's just use it because it's fun. Woohoo! Okay. So these guys here, this is by the brand TTXSPP. It's an adapter for Chryslers and Jeeps and Rams, anywhere from I think 2012 and up. And what this does is this allows you to bypass the security inside your vehicle. I'm a Jeep Gladiator, so what this does is this is going to plug into this guy, this part here. Let's open it up here for a second. So what's going to happen is this guy here plugs into here, right? Clicks into that. And then these guys here are going to plug into your 2 ports inside your vehicle. In my case, a Jeep Gladiator. And then this, by Bluetooth, via Bluetooth, with my JScan app on my phone, will allow me to change everything. So, super quick unboxing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to link these up to the Jeep in another video, and we'll change the stuff that I want to change. Awesome, there we go. Super easy. Thank you for watching this video. And again, I'll have more detail when I'm doing the install on this, but I just want to unbox this and show people what you get and how cheap it is. I'm in Canada right now, so everything I bought was in Canadian prices, so I'll link it in the description and I'll let you guys know where I bought it from, and you can do it as well. Thanks for watching.